Today we're going to be talking about how to maintain your Ozonics unit. First and foremost, try to keep it clean. As your Ozonics unit ages, the coil is exposed to airborne particulate and the internal parts can eventually start to get dirty and cause loss of effectiveness over time. This can happen quicker in extremely dusty and high humidity environments. You can use a can of moisture-free compressed air and blow that into the front grill of the Ozonics unit periodically to remove the dust and debris that can build up on the internal coil and fan. Think about the coil on the inside of your Ozonics unit like the ceiling fan in your house. My wife is always razzing me about cleaning the ceiling fan, and it looks clean from down on the floor, but if you get up there, you can about play tic-tac-toe on the blade. And it's not that my house is dirty, but naturally that fan is circulating, it's pushing air, and dust and debris can collect on that. Same thing happens with that coil. We push enough air through there, and that particulate can start to add up on that coil. Next, we want to make sure that we try to keep that unit dry. The Ozonics units should not be used in any type of wet weather situation heavier than a dense fog or a light rain. Because of the design requirements to produce ozone, the internal components of your Ozonics unit are not waterproof and they should not get wet. When in doubt on the weather conditions, it's best to put your Ozonics unit in a dry location. Should your Ozonics unit become wet internally, do not operate your unit until it has thoroughly air dried.